beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your first time stopping by to my channel. My name is Atinoke. So today I'm going to share with you how I achieved this lovely DIY try on and go wig, as in, and this wig you can achieve it within 40 to 45 minutes at least. This is a very easy DIY beginner wig. You can throw this on to go to the supermarket, to the mall. This wig is going nowhere. It says is not coming off, or else someone take it off from your head. So if you want to see this kind of act I use in achieving this lovely wig, which I know you guys are going to enjoy watching, can you please keep on watching? And if you've not subscribed, sis, can you subscribe? Subscribe is free. So let's start watching. So guys, this is the hair I'm going to be using. We are going to be needing crochet pin, this expression coily hair, dumb hair, then a crochet wig cap. Then you are going to be needing pin with a ponytail rubber to hold it down. You can see what I'm doing now, just securing the cap on the dumb cap. Sorry for that, my son came to interrupt my video. So after I'm done securing the cap, then I'm going to take my hair out. Make sure you cut the tip of any crochet hair you want to use before using it, because so that it won't get tangled. Then I start taking a little amount of hair, I start crocheting it towards the tip. Do not crochet on the elastic band, just crochet towards the tip. You understand what I'm trying to say? As the crochet, as the video goes on, you're going to understand. So you can see what I'm talking about. No holes is showing. There is no holes showing between the elastic band and the crochet cap. You can see I cover that part I cover that part up, and I crochet very close to each other. Very close to each other, no space at all. I crochet very close to each other. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to this amazing channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to support me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And if you not subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please and please, can you please click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that I can notify anytime I upload amazing video. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just crocheting round and very close to each other, no space at all. And I'm not crocheting off track. The first track I use close to the headband. Sorry, I said to the headband, to the elastic band. That is what I keep using round. So can you see we are done crocheting now? Then this is the elastic band, sorry, like a crochet band or what they call it, I can't remember. We are going to use it to hold it down. Do not apply any water on this hair. Do not apply anything on it, or else the hair is going to shrink. It won't be able to cover what we want to cover. I won't apply anything. You can see I'm packing it up. Then I'll use my hand to flop some part out so that it's going to cover everything. If you think you can pack this hair on your hair, fine, do that. But you can see what I'm doing. I'm just using my hand to flop everything out so that it's going to cover where we want to cover. So after we are done with that, then I'm going to apply water to the ponytail to make the coils bounce back. I'll apply water. I'll add some mousse. I'll use my hand to flop it out before I add mousse. Then I'll trim the excess off. Make sure you detangle the tip very well. No one is going to know this is a synthetic hair, sis. So I'll apply mousse just to make the coil bounce very well. Then you know what we are going to add last. I'm going to add some sheen to add some shine. So just using my hand to detangle the hair very well before I had mousse. You can see it's only the tip I added mousse and water and oil sheen. I add sheen to add some shine to the body. So this is the final look, sis. Yes, this is the final look. This hair came out so beautiful. I would advise you to put on your headband first before you put on this cap. Then we are good to go. Nobody is going to know that this is it. This is what. Let's fake this wig. Let's make it, sis. This came out so beautiful, which I enjoy rocking. Can you see how beautiful this hair came out? Thank you so much for your support, your love. I really appreciate. If you want to see more DIY, more amazing DIY, because your sis is going to be dropping a lot of, as in this channel is about to be lights. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on notification. But this channel is even light already, but it's going to be light more and more. Subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Can you see I'm flopping my ponytail? Can you see? You can pack it up more than this anyhow you like. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.